Our purpose as readers today. I can use what I know to better understand unknown vocabulary words in a text. Survival. List 2 things a plant needs for survival. Intercept. Describe what happens when a player intercepts a ball. Contributions. What contributions can people make to help an animal shelter? Give 2 examples. Operations. List 2 computer operations you can do. Diversity. Circle words and phrases that are synonyms for diversity. Variety, many kinds, sameness. Recruits. Who would you ask to be recruits for a soccer team? Name 2 people, explain your thinking. Enlisted. What would you do to get people to enlist for a cleanup project in the community? Bulletin.